Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we got the K18 mobile phone cooler with battery. This puppy right here will set you back $26.99. Definitely won't break the bank. Now, this is for if you're doing a lot of streaming with your phone. It keeps it cool gaming. It will keep it cool it down, keep it cool. Even if you're watching a lot of videos, a long movie, or even I think I would say even use your GPS in your hot car on your phone. This should be able to keep it cool. That's what it says. It's a cooling thing for your phone and for your iPad tablet, for what they say. Without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the Eagle Eye View. This is how the case will look. The boxing, I say case, but the boxing will look. So this is it. All right, we're going to be using this for unboxing knife today. Ooh, something small. And I don't want to cut myself. Do it like that. So I won't cut myself. She always cut away from you, not towards you. Don't be like me. All right, so this is the cellophane. Boom. Okay. All right, so we have a clip. We'll find out what that is for. We have USB-A to USB-C, and we have the book. All right, the book. So, pretty decent wires. You know, they're gonna be the best, but pretty long too. So that's pretty good. Here it is. I put this out the way so we go to get. This most likely is the battery. Okay, this is the battery. This is how the battery looks, guys. Charger right there. Okay. And this should be the main unit. Now, this right here is the actual ring that you can use if you don't have a a MagSafe device, or your case don't isn't MagSafe. You can put this on the back of your phone. Supposed to be able to magnetic attach, and that's it. Okay. Yeah. All right. So now we have the actual device. There you go. So that's how it looks. I like that. So basically, this will go on your phone, and this will go on, I'm guessing, like that. So you can guess that's how it goes on. So I don't know why we're going like that, but yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So that's how that would go. And you see it has, oh, well, you want to go this way, so those two connections right there can connect with those two right there. So this is how it looks. Heat sink. You have the clip. So that's what this goes. Right here, the clip goes in here. I'm guessing you can clip it on to your phone. So I guess that's what that is. We'll see how to use that. So this is how it is, guys. You have the right there, the plug, and you have your on and off right here, and your fan speed. Fan speed up and down. You see the plus and minuses, and on and off. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get to charging it up, and after that, run it through its paces. All right, I made a mistake. You actually get two of these, okay, guys? Two of these. This one was hiding in the bottom of the box. I should have gave it a good shake, but I didn't. So you get two of these, and we'll figure out how to use it, okay? All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead. And you see I'm using the cord that came with it. Already got it plugged up. So we're going to go ahead and plug up the battery pack. This is if you want to use it without plug it in directly into the cooling, and there you go. It is charging up. Okay, so now if you don't want to use this and you just want to use a battery, a power bank, just to run it, what we'll do, you just put it in here, and it automatically came on. I don't know why, but the default to this is the AI mode, and right here is the actual cooling, actually cooling, and it's getting cold. It's really getting cold, so it's working. So if you hit this button right here, you get to change it to the different modes. One is faster, one is cooler, and it goes back down. So P3, P2, P1, and then that's the AI one. That's the one that's automatically done for the cooling of the phone, but you can change it to 3 different cooling modes. Okay, guys? So that's that. But what we're going to do, we want to see, we're going to use this right here, which is a adaptive. I don't know why it didn't just come with C to C. We're going to see if this works. Okay, as you see, it is charging up. And as you can see, it is working. All right, let's do this one more time, guys. And we're going to go ahead and move this out the way. So for most of us, we have C to C. So we're going to try the C to C. Make sure that, it should work. All right, that works there. Comes on. We'll try it with this. It comes on. And there you go. So as you can see, it works with C to C. This right here is a 40-watt fast charging. So it does work. And this is getting cool right here, guys. So it does work. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and let this battery charge up, and then we're gonna see, put on one of the phones and see how it works real quick. So basically, I'm not gonna use this. This is the piece you can put on the back of your phone, sticks there. Use it. I'm not gonna use that. We're gonna use the clips. So you just take the clips and you just make sure it's pointing towards this part right here. I wish these would click, but they don't click. You just have to put them in there. There you go. So that's how it goes. And now, once you put this on, it's automatically going to go to P3. P3 is the fastest that the fan will go. Okay. So what you do, you see this button right here. That's your fan speed. That's your on and off button. And what you can do, if you click it, go to P2, P1, and then go to AI, which is supposed to be, it'll pick for you which one is best to cool your device. Now, I don't know if it will or not, but it says AI. Okay, guys? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and kind of clean this off a little bit so you can see that it does work. It's on, and you should see the condensation build up, if you can see it right here. And there you go. It's building up. See that? Just give it a couple of seconds, and I can look at that. So it does work, guys. It does work. So I'm gonna let you see that one more time. I'm gonna clean this off so you can see it one more time. Put it on, and there it goes, right there. So what you would do, you just go ahead and you'll put on your phone like this, and it's pretty decent. Doesn't really move too bad. See that? And then you could do it like that. So it's on here, and as you're playing the game, it will keep your phone cool. One thing I do like about it, that you don't need just this. You can go ahead and use this right here as well. I don't know why this is all tangled up. Come on. Put this on here. Then what you do, you put it inside right here, and it comes on already at P3. As you can see, it's really moving because it's on. So you could play it just like this as well. So as you play in your game, it will, you'll get a faster, because it's going really fast right now. So, and it's got RGB, as you can see. So that's about it, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get back to the regular view, and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. Yo, I'm back to give the K18 mobile phone cooler with the battery my final thoughts and giving it a grade. And guys, I really do like it. It really works. Now, because I did show you on my Google Pixel 8 Pro, it does work on the Samsung 24 Ultra. So as you can see, it does work on that. And guys, I really do like it. It does what it says it's supposed to do. I went on a little trip, went downtown, and I brought this with me, used my phone as my guided GPS. And because it was hot outside, the sun was coming through the windshield and hit the phone and started heating up the 8 Pro. So I took this off, put it on, put it back up there, used it, and it did drop the temperature. The lights came back up. It said it was cooling, took the temperature. The hot symbol, it says getting too hot, off your phone. So it does work. I can't tell you how much degrees that it dropped it by, but it does work. I watched the video, watched about a movie, half of a movie, and it kept the phone cool. So it does work. Now I can't give you all the specifications and how many degrees did it drop and all that. Can't do that, but it works, guys. So I'm gonna give it a B. I'm gonna give it a B because also these clips are very cheap. I wish there was some type of clips where you can, instead of just putting them on, it could like turn and lock. I think that would be better than the way they got these. But like $26, you can't beat it, guys. So I give this a B. Okay, I give the K18 mobile phone cooler with battery, I give it a B. Hey guys, before we go, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my new, current, and new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. And please hit the notification icon bell, whatever it is, so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video, guys. Like I said, this is pretty good. If you need something like this or you're in the market, hey, check it out. The link will be in the description below. You have a good day. Peace.